Chinese Ambassador Jing Guan nanguna sa 99th founding anniversary ng Chinese People's Liberation Army celebration.
Of the People's Republic of China.
Sa binitiwang talumpati ni Chinese Ambassador to the Philippines Jing Guan, binigyang diin niya na hindi umano kailanman hahanap ng hegemony o mga angkam ng teritoryo ang China. Ito'y sa gitna ng tensyon sa West Philippine Sea, kundi isang Chinese military modernization defense. Naan niya layunin ng modernisasyon ng People's Liberation Army ay para protektahan ang soberanya at mapanatili ang kapayapaan sa riyon, hindi para manakop. Matapos ang talumpati, pinangunahan ni Guan ang reception na dinaluhan ng mga diplomat, AFP officials at Filipino-Chinese community leaders.
Actually, today we invited by the Chinese Embassy to this 99 anniversary of the People's Liberation Army. So we just come to celebrate. Yeah, we hope Philippine-China friendship will be improving after this event. I hope everything will be settled down in the next few years, so that our economy will be improving and work together. I think our president are inviting a lot of investors. He visited a lot of countries. I think they're interested more on the semiconductor and the AI. We expect ASEAN will be united together, so have a strong ASEAN economy. ASEAN economy is a very big economy. We have big population. So hopefully every Asian country work together in business and in technology.
This is very significant. It marked a good relationship between China and the Philippines. You know, there are a lot of rumors claiming that China and the Philippines are not seeing eye to eye, but it's not true. China and the Philippines want peace, and we like that we should be friendly with every country in Asia and in Europe. And another thing is, I always insist that we have to support our President Bongbong Marcos. I do expect that people will be friendly to the Philippines, and I think the Philippine economy is very, very robust. And another thing is the Filipinos really love their own country. That's one thing for sure. The Philippines is good. It's good. Yeah, very strong. And it's very healthy. Tonight, the ambassador will be here, and you're personally here. What is going to talk about?
Ginugulita ng China ang pagkakatatag ng People's Liberation Army tuwing August 1, taon-taon na ituturing na pinakamalaking hukbo sa buong mundo.
为世界的和平与繁荣干杯！干杯！ Cheers！
Iyan ang report with Loli Acosta. Ako si Rondo Plana reporting.